Take a look at this video and don't mind the guy who passed out. Did you hear that? The beeping sound? If you've ever watched a glider in action, you've probably noticed this mysterious beep. 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 But what is it, and why does it change pitch? That's the variometer, or vario for short. It's a super important instrument that tells pilots whether they're going up or down. Since gliders don't have engines, they rely on rising air currents, called thermals, to stay in the sky. Here's how it works. If the glider is climbing, the vario beeps faster and higher in pitch, kind of like an excited alarm saying, "Yes, free lift." If the glider is sinking, the vario makes a sad, low-pitched tone, warning the pilot that they need to find better air. In steady air, the beeping stops, because there's nothing exciting happening. Glider pilots use this sound to chase thermals without even looking at the instrument panel. The goal? Stay in the rising air as long as possible and glide for miles without ever needing an engine. So next time you hear that beep, 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 just know it's not a warning. It's a green light to keep soaring. Would you ever try gliding? Let me know.